Okay, party peoples, this is part one of mushroom gravy. And I also baked the chicken because we ate it all up last night, and I still got me some macaroni and cheese, and I still got me some cornbread dressing left. All I need is the gravy. We got busy last night and it was super McDuper. Now, with my mushroom gravy that I shall be making, this is what we have for the following ingredients. We got the mushrooms. We got garlic. We have olive oil. We have butter. We have flour. Now, I used a tarmac on my chicken this time around that I'm baking again. And so I got some tarmac. I used some ground cumin. Whoa, no nutmeg here, Jackson. Salt and pepper. And my pink salt. Now, I got my rosemary, which I'll be using for my gravy, with the mushrooms and the goodies that goes along with it. Right now, I'm simmering my broth, and so we shall get busy. Chicken is in the oven, doing this thing. I'll put butter on top of it and some olive oil. Give me a nice coated brown, nice and crispy skin, and that'll be super McDuper. So, let's get ready to rumble!